She was already wet before he even touched her. Not because of what he did in the bedroom, because of what he did in the 2 hours before they even got there. You see, most men have no idea that that moment even exists. They don't know there's a window before clothes come off. Sometimes before you're even in the same room, where her body either opens or it closes. And if you skip it, nothing you do after it really matters. She'll respond, she'll be present, but she won't be there. She won't even remember it. That's when it really sucks. So the gap is between a woman who's tolerating intimacy and a woman who is reaching for you. And that isn't technique. It isn't how long you last. It's something that happens before any of that starts. And baby, it's called seduction. And most men have quietly removed it from their lives without even realizing it. Here's what women say in private and what the research confirms. The number one complaint women have about their partners isn't what happens during sex. It's what doesn't happen before they get in the bedroom. She doesn't feel wanted. She doesn't feel seen. She goes from doing the dishes to being expected to instantly turned on, and then he wonders why she seems somewhere else. She's not broken. She's not low libido. She's not checked out of the relationship. She's just never been properly led there. The missing piece isn't a new trick. It isn't a toy. It isn't a longer session. It's the seduction phase. It's the touch that builds before anything else happens. You see, when you fix those two things, everything, and I mean everything, changes. In the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like in practice. Not the corny performative version, not candles and roses. The real version, the kind that works on a Tuesday night, 10 years into a relationship, when nothing about the situation is romantic, except the fact that you know what you're doing. And at the end, I'm gonna give you everything you need to start doing it, baby, tonight. Yes, say it with me, tonight. A price that I'm honestly a little embarrassed to charge because of how much is inside. But listen, I really, really, really want you to get this. So for the new viewers, I'm Arica Angelo. I've spent the last decade doing what almost no one does, translating what women actually feel into what men can actually do about it. It's not theory, it's not diagrams. Real technique from a real woman with real results behind. Let me show you what men who've used this report. I love the touching you show me, the shoulder, the arm, the back of the scalp, the neck. Wow, I tried it and she melted. That was from Bruce, and I love this one. She looked me dead in the face and said, "You know how to touch me." I was on cloud 9, and that's from Rhodey. You see, those results, they don't start in the bedroom. They start with presence and they start with touch, with what happens before anything else. Now, let me break down how this actually works. There are 2 phases that happen before any real intimacy begins. I call them the seduction phase and then baby. You see, most men skip both of them entirely. The seduction phase is what happens before you're even in the same room. It's how she feels about you in the hours leading up to intimacy. It's not what you say, babe. It is how you show up. And most men, they try to shortcut this with compliments. A compliment isn't seduction. Presence is seduction. Intention is seduction. The feeling that you actually want her, specifically her, in a way she can feel in her body before you touched her. When you get this right, she's already halfway there before anything starts. When you skip it, you might spend the whole night trying to unlock a door that she ain't never opened. Then, babe, here comes the touch phase. I know, this is a phase that you want to get to. And this is where the majority of men, unfortunately, completely break down. Not because they don't try, but because nobody ever taught them what touch actually communicates. Touch is the first language her nervous system reads. You see, when you touch her slowly, deliberately, with real intention, her body starts to respond before her brain can even process what's happening. Her nervous system relaxes. Her guard comes down. Her body begins to open. when you rush it, when you grab instead of lead, when you go straight to the obvious places before she's ready, her body contracts. Even if she doesn't say a word, even, and this is what women do sometimes, even if she goes along with it. The signal her nervous system received was, this man doesn't know how to lead me. Here's a framework. 3 things that have to be present before any of the rest of it matters. Element 1 is attraction without pressure. Say it, without pressure. She has to feel pulled towards you, not pushed. Most men apply pressure without realizing it in their energy, their pacing, their body language, but pressure shuts her down. And element 2 is touch that builds, not grabs. There's a sequence to where you touch and what order and how slowly you move. Done right, by the time you get anywhere significant, her body is already telling you yes. Element 3 is reading the shift. There's a specific moment you can feel it when you know what to look for, where she stops thinking and she starts responding. Once you learn to create that moment on purpose, not by accident, everything changes. So let me quickly clear out the options that don't solve this. Option A, being more spontaneous. She doesn't need a surprise. She needs to feel safe. She needs to feel wanted. Spontaneity without foundation is just randomness and it lands as pressure. Option B, asking her what she wants. This feels thoughtful and it's not. Most women cannot tell you what works. They can only react when you're doing it right. Asking puts the job back on her shoulders and signals you already don't know. And option C, more romance, flowers, dinner, candles. These are decorations, the work on top of seduction. They don't replace it. A man can do all those things and still leave her feeling nothing if the touch and the intention aren't there. And option D, oh my man, you'll be waiting a long time when you're waiting for her to come to you. The longer you wait, the more the gap grows. She reads passivity as disinterest. Disinterest makes her shut down even further. It's a spiral. Every one of these paths fails for the same reason. None of them are addressing what's actually missing. The seduction phase, the touch that builds, the presence that tells her bodies she is in good hands. And not with Allstate, baby, but with you. So here's what I put together for you. It's 2 programs, they're bundled together, that teach you both phases from the ground up. Program 1, it's the art of sensual touch. This is where you learn how to touch into something she feels in her entire body, not just where you are touching. I'll show you how to build emotion through contact, how to move slowly enough that her body responds before her mind catches up. The exact sequence, shoulder, neck, scalp, back, that unlocks her before you've done anything else. This is what Bruce was talking about, what Rhodey experienced. You're not guessing. Baby, you are executing on a system. And program 2 is the ultimate seduction guide. This is a part that happens before touch. The seduction phase that most men skip entirely. Step by step, how to show up in a way that builds attraction and trust at the same time. How to be the man she's already thinking about before you're even in the bedroom. The energy, the language, the lead, the thing that makes her reach for you instead of waiting. This works whether you're 6 months in or 16 years in. It's not about novelty, babe. This is about presence. And I'm including a bonus. Step into your sensual power. This is me talking directly to you about the one thing no technique can give you, but that makes everything else land differently. Masculine presence. The confidence that doesn't rush. The intention she can feel before you touched her. The reason 2 men can do the exact same thing and get a completely different response. This is a bonus I'd honestly charge separately for, but it's in the bundle. And the total value is $411. But your price today, $47 in just one time. No subscription, instant access, and completely discreet. She won't know about it. 2 paths from here. Path 1, Nothing changes. Maybe it's fine. Maybe she seems okay. But you already know the difference between a woman who's present and a woman who is really, really there. And the longer that that gap stays, the harder it becomes to close. That's not a scare tactic. It's just what happens. And path 2, you can take one weekend, walk through both programs, and you can come out on the other side knowing exactly how to lead her before the bedroom, in the first touch, in the moment she decides whether to open or to close. Most men will never have that, but babe, you can. I want you to click the link below this video. It's in the description, it's in the comments, and it's going to take you to a private page. $47, only one time, both programs plus the bonus, and it's going to be delivered straight to your email. Nothing ships, no box, nobody sees anything. Quick questions before you go. Is this for a long-term relationship or for single men? Babe, it's for both. Men in long-term relationships use this to bring back what got lost. And single men, well, they use it to make an impression she ain't never gonna forget. What if she's not very responsive? I get this question a lot. That's exactly when this matters the most. Low responsiveness almost always traces back to the seduction and touch phases. Fix those first and watch what happens. What if I'm older? Some of the strongest results I've seen come from men in their 50s and 60s. Experience combined with the system is the most powerful thing there is. $47, you guys. It's less than a dinner out. A fraction of what you'd spend on anything else that won't actually fix this. The link is in the description. It's in the comment section. I want you to click it now. The bonus I mentioned at the top, step into your sensual power. Babe, it's not just a pep talk. I genuinely believe it's the thing that separates the men who get results from the men who just go through the motion. You can know every technique I've ever taught. If you don't have this, if you don't have the presence behind it, the technique will land flat every time, because she can feel the difference between a man who's leading and a man who's just performing. This is the real edge. It's what she actually responds to, and it's inside the bundle. The link's in the description. It's in the comment section. Babe, I will see you on the other side.